IVM.
Namaskar, namaskar, namaskar. My name is Ashish Vidyarthi, and so good to see you here, dear friends, on Begin the Journey. Aha. Let's begin the journey. Begin the journey for me is like starting afresh. It's like having a clean slate. Clean slate? Or in today's parlance, a clean whiteboard. That's right, the whiteboard. Now, what's very interesting about a whiteboard is that whatever that you may have written before that, it can be wiped out. And then you can write afresh. Now, in my life, as I've traveled, I have written afresh many a times. Not because I wanted to, but I needed to. That's right. Most of us do not want to write afresh, dear friends, because we say, "Arey yaar, we have done it for so long. Why do you want me to begin again?" But guess what? Life sometimes wants you to reset and says, "Listen, you got to write again and write again on a clean slate." So even as I had done many films in Hindi, when I started working down south, in films in Tamil Nadu, in films in Andhra Pradesh, films in Kerala, West Bengal, and all over, I had to begin afresh. I had to wipe out what was written earlier on my board. In fact, not just that, I discovered another very interesting thing. That on this new clean whiteboard, I need not be writing alone. I may be writing with my left hand with a blue color and drawing and writing what I wish to do. And there's a possibility that I allow others to write with their right hand or their left hands, with their colors, with their numbers, with their suggestions, with their thoughts. Imagine now this whiteboard is not just restricted to my thoughts or what I think could and should be done. It is now a possibility board, a board in which I allow others' minds to work with me. That's what I've discovered in life, dear friend. I allow others' thoughts to touch me. I allow them to even give ideas which I may never have thought of. In fact, I love contrarian views which are very different from mine, because I may not be agreeing with them, but they light up something for me which earlier I may not have seen at all. So imagine this whiteboard, which just does not have things that you wanted to write, you thought was correct, you always wanted to consider. It is now a developing story. So it is, you may have started with an idea, but as you progress with your drawing and as you have allowed other people to put in their colors and their thoughts, the journey is turning out very differently from what you began with. I began thinking that I'm only an actor. Over the years, I discovered I'm also an actor. I'm also a son, also a father, also a traveler, also a communicator, also a writer, also a photographer, also an actor. I discovered many more hues to me, many more colors. Remember, dear friend, turn this life into a whiteboard for you. In that whiteboard, you may put in the colors that you really want. Will you make mistakes? Of course you may make mistakes. But each time you make a mistake, wipe it and make the changes. Who will face the consequences? I will face the consequences. That's the joy of life. But who's also going to win in this? I. Dear friend, the whiteboard allows you to draw pictures that you love. And it also allows others to join their memories, their ideas, their suggestions, and their dreams into your life. Life, after all, is not just a single weave. It's a weave of a myriad of people. Let your life partners walk with you as you together create an extraordinary whiteboard of colors, of dreams, and fulfillment. My name is Ashish Vidyarthi. Do share with me how you can really transport yourself into a life of creation. Celebrate your whiteboard and allow yourself and others to color it. I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you on the next edition of Begin the Journey with your whiteboard all set Thank you. My name is Ashish Vidyarthi and I love to chat. Cheers.
I hope you enjoyed that show. I'd like to thank our sponsors this week, Paytm Money. So, a great week of shows behind us, and hope that you've been catching up on as much of it as you can. We had Abhishek Bachchan on Football Shitball. Yeah, let me say that again. Abhishek Bachchan was on Football Shitball. Did I mention Abhishek Bachchan was on Football Shitball? That was a fun episode. You should definitely check that out. Really, really deep conversation about cricket and things like that. We had Vikram Kochar on Cyrus Says, talking about the platforms and stuff like what's going on over there. On the note, Maruk had spoken to Sanjay Jha, which was, again, a really, really interesting conversation. On Edges and Sledges, the guys are having an interesting conversation about, well, you know, what are our favorite formats of cricket and things like that. So it's just really been a really, really awesome week on the network, and please do check things out. And with that, hope to see you next week.
Are you constantly seeking happiness? Wondering how to make the most of every day? How not to let your inhibitions stop you from achieving your goals? It's now time to get your A game on. It's time to unlock your true potential. Tune in to the Empowering series with me, Zarina Poonawalla, to feel empowered in all genres of life. From behavioral skills to management skills, from health to relationships, from mental well-being to emotional well-being, and of course your finances. I've got you covered. With these tips and tricks from me, Zarina, and true life stories from my amazing guests, you're bound to bring your purest to the table. Tune in to the Empowering series with Zarina Poonawalla every Thursday on the IVM Podcast app, website, or wherever you listen to podcasts.